Locations are used for grouping items in a bid by room or other descriptive areas, or grouping items by production phase or stages, or you might need them if you want to have a subtotal of cost or order quantities for unique groups of items. Before actually using the location feature, you'll want to add the location column to your bid item list here. You'll right mouse click and go down to select a column to display and scroll down till you find locations. They are alphabetical. Click on it and click off the screen. Before we actually use the location feature to take off some items, we're going to look at a report since we have some items already in this particular bid. Go to report menu and bid reports. I'm just going to highlight a report here and preview it so you can get a little idea of what it looks like. And the location title is here and the items for that location, quantities, and there are several location reports. It just gives you a little bit of an idea, and then the total of the job down here, but that's the kind of report you can expect to get. Before we use this feature, we're going to clean our estimate up by deleting the items we have in here so that we have a clean worksheet. And I'm just using the tag menu to get rid of all the items. To use the location feature during the takeoff process, on the left side click on item selection and go down to the location field and click the button to the right. Pick the location. You can add, change, do anything you want on this location list, but we've got two locations here. We're going to use the family room, and we press the use button. That'll put FR in there. If you want to know what FR is, look at the lower left and you'll see a full description of what FR is, in this case the family room. Now we can take off several items by just negotiating down, and every time you add an item to the window below, it is automatically associated with that location. We're going to take off an assembly though so that we can save a little time. So we're going to take off the family room, and we're also going to change the location and use the bedroom location and use that, and then take off the assembly we've built for the bedroom. And we're going to click on done, and we'll have those in the list. All the items we just brought in are tagged, and we're going to just add some quantities to all of these. So we're going to use the tag feature and change column value. And we're in the change column quantity value. We're going to put in 15 in there. May not make any sense, but at least we'll have some values in there so we can run a report and you can kind of see what it's going to look like here. We're going to preview the report, and you'll see we have the bedroom, the items, 15 quantity and everything, total price, and the family room, and the total job. This video is not intended to be a training session, just give you a brief example of how locations work. In our training and support section on our website, we will have videos on step-by-step instructions and all the various aspects of using each feature.